If you want to check voicemail messages on OnePlus 15R, first we need to open the phone app, and then we're gonna go to the keypad over here. You can press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial the voicemail quite easily. And of course, once you have the voicemail, and once you call it, you should be able to immediately listen to all messages that someone might have left you. In case you press and hold number 1 and it doesn't speed dial the voicemail, you can go back to the home page, tap on these 3 lines in the upper left corner and go to settings. Now in here in settings, go to voicemail, optionally select your SIM and then go to advanced settings. In here we can find the number. This is the voicemail number, which you might need to fix in case it is incorrect or in case this field is empty. Now if you don't know what number you need to enter over here, you can try to Google that information, or you can contact your carrier or operator or something like that and ask them about the voicemail number. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.